16 years I went to town to do my job. And all of the money that I've got, I put it in a box. She was black with golden stripes. My dream was still alive, alright. Nearly to 20, now it was time to bring my dream on the run. 80,000 bucks, hard-earned money, I put it on a dealer's desk. He threw me the keys right into my hand and told me, take a good with that, please. Right there behind her, she was all black with golden stripes and a big machine. I couldn't believe it, my dream come true. I couldn't believe it, could this be true? Deep black bed with golden stripes, no tank and a big machine. That's the kind of thing what takes a boy's heart to overheat. Deep black bed with golden stripes, no tank and a big machine. That's the kind of thing what takes a boy's heart to overheat. With the age of 30, I live in Detroit and my life was really fine. I saw her standing in the street in a black suit with golden stripes. I asked her, may I help you, or can I take you for a